And in the same sort of way, I've been pretending to be pure fucking stupid as fuck. Like when I did fucking Portal 2 with Sheila, for the purposes of comedy. And that will be revealed when I'm old. They'll cut my brain open. That's what's going to kill me. But after that, they'll cut it further for experimentation, and they'll go, in his later years, he actually definitely was daft as fuck, due to his brain deteriorating. But at the time of, say, that Portal 2 thing when he was 46, he was actually in full working order. So see, when he was doing things like saying full working order instead of full working order, he was putting it on. He was putting it on. He was dedicating, he was inviting ridicule for the chat, for the purposes of comedy, dedicated his life to it. Purple burglar, purple burglar, can you see it? Purple burglar, oh, I'm up your dafty me. Purple burglar, fucking 5 million fucking views, shove it right up yous, man. JJ Mac, Joel, thanks for subs and bits. Thanks again. Reading out the same thing, you know, Joel, who actually brought this up, I'm reading out his fucking the bits again. See, things like that. Here, Joel, thanks for the bits. Unbelievable that such a highly intelligent man is. Oh, sorry, I've read that out. I'm pure daft, me. What's this? What's that there? Don't know what that is. Is this your card?